everybody, this is Fumi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in. Today we're gonna be making scotch eggs. First, we're gonna go into the ingredients needed. We do need sausage, we need boiled egg, and we need one egg, just cracked, not boiled, flour, breadcrumbs, and we need the spices, ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder. So first we mix the spices into the flour. Ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and also complete seasoning powder plus Italian seasoning. We mix all of that together into the flour like so. Then next, we prepare our workstation. Like that, you see me using a parchment paper to cover my chopping board, because that's where I'm going to be mixing the meat. So you take some sausage, flatten it out as flat as possible, and then try to wrap it around the boiled egg. Make sure you cover the egg all around. Once that is done, pat it around very gently and then roll in your flour. And this is all-purpose flour. Roll it, and then if you're missing any spots, you can just adjust it with your hand. Then roll it in the whisked egg. And then cover it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs covers every part of the ball, and make sure you pat the breadcrumbs in firmly as much as you can. So this is what the scotch egg looks like after frying. It can be enjoyed with your favorite drink and dip. If you have any questions about the recipe, leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay blessed.